We got pre-file activity number one is, as we can see here, this activity, so-called activity, was due on the 5th of March 2026. But as I am recording this, it is the 24th of March currently. So that's very unfortunate, but we'll do this anyway. So we have... Jesus, this is so slow. Create a Python program that performs... Oh, why did this... Okay. Create a Python program that performs file handling operations using a menu. Write a program that displays... Okay, we have a couple options. Let's create a new file in our Visual Studio Code. Main.py. Python, obviously. Oh, okay, bro. Do that, I guess. Actually, no, let me close that and do this the old-fashioned way. So we got main.py. What are our options again? We got... But actually, let me move this. Should I even move this to the other monitor? Never mind, I shouldn't. I'll keep it here so that you guys can see. So, here's the following menu. I'm going to move it to the other monitor. I don't care. So it says right here, displays the following menu: create file, read file. Where did running file create parts? We have create file and read file. So let's create a couple of functions for this. Let's do create file. Oh, it's just named notes.txt. If the user chooses one, the program creates notes.txt. The user chooses two, the program displays the file content. Actually, let me just bring this back. See? The user chooses four, the program deletes the file. There's no sanity checks or anything. Like, what if the file doesn't exist? Wait, check if the file exists before reading or deleting it. Use os.remove to delete the file. Use open with the correct file modes. The program must be looped so the menu keeps appearing. Okay. Create a couple functions. So first of all, we'll do with... I did not mean to do that. With open notes.txt. Do that. As file. Do we put anything, or do we just keep it as that? File.write. Let me turn off GitHub Copilot. You're not helping right now. See how I don't have any usage either? 0.4%. I don't use AI, guys. It doesn't say we should write anything at all. But there's no restrictions against it either, so I'm just gonna do... This is a list of your notes. The new line. And def add notes. If offset. Wait, let me import OS. Import OS. There we go. We're gonna need that. If OS dot path dot exists notes dot text. Wait, actually no. Has not yet been created. Do that. Then otherwise, actually no, let's do an early return because this is a function. So let's do an early return. Now if it does exist, then with open notes.txt, do a oh wait, crap. Well, I forgot. As file dot. Is there an append function, or do I just generally do file.write? I'm pretty sure I just do file.write because it is a anyway. File.write notes. I don't know, I forgot. I haven't coded in a while. Def delete file. notes tab exists text, and the notes file has not yet been created. You know what? Create a helper function for this. Def check for file. It returns a bool. Let me copy this here. False. Return true otherwise. If not, check for file. Return. Why can't I do I can do that, right? Yeah, I should be able to. I don't want to have to. See? If not, check for file. See, easy. Function helps a lot. So with, actually no, os.remove notes.text. Does it say anything in terms of feedback? The file exists before reading or deleting it. Display clear messages. For example, file created successfully. Oh my god. No, Notion, get out. How did I close it? Created successfully. Print note added successfully. File deleted successfully. So. And then last function, read file. If not, check for file. Return. Otherwise, return with open notes R. Return. I forgot this again. As file. Return file dot read. Return string. Now let's do the main function. So while not well, more so the main loop. While true, we got one create file. This is going to be so torturous. I'm just going to create a dictionary for this. Options becomes we'll do a list. Create file. We got read file. Add notes. Delete file. Exit. Now we'll do a for loop for these. For I in range options, or actually no, option in enumerate options. Do string there, and then append it with. I don't know. Let's just do an F string, make it more readable. Option. There we go. Simple as that. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Then we'll do option input. A little bit of that. And then match. Do case one. Actually, add and check for in case it exists. Actually, no. If already exists, and we do an early return. Easy, easy peasy. So we just do create file. For case two, we have read file, so we have read file. Wait, wait, we can actually just do this in line. That's crazy. They don't allow us to do that, right? So that's more readable, actually. Case 3, we have add notes. Wait, it actually expects a primary, so let's just do all call block for this one. Note equals input, enter note to add, then add note, note. And for case 4, we have delete file, which is just delete the file. Case 5, break. What's so wild? Actually, hang on. Wildcard. Wildcard for match case. Python. What's a match case symbol? Oh, okay. Okay. I was right with the underscore. Invalid. Please select between options 1 to 5. Okay, let's try this out. Oh my god. Git bash, bro. Come on. Come on. Come on. Well, it just decides to just not load at all. Because I prefer git bash over cmd. I'm not gonna do this. Okay, I guess I will have to do this. Oh wait, never mind. Wait. cd documents, other projects, cd pre-file activity, main.py, 26. Okay, there we go. Works. Do read file. The notes file is not yet been created. File. File created successfully. Have anything? This is a list of your notes. Add note. Hello, my brother. And it appends it successfully. You add note again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, that should be going on a new line, shouldn't it? That's something we will have to fix. We have a working product. Delete the file. Does the delete file work? It does. So let's exit. When adding the notes, I'm gonna do this. Simple as this. And then let's try it again. main.py. Create file. Actually, no. Let me try adding a note. Hello. Notes file has not yet been created. So if we do 1, file created successfully. Let's open the notes.txt file again. Now we do add note. Complete prefile activities 1 to 5 for VGD. And there we go. But there should be a space in between that. Let me fix the file. There should be a space between that. I don't know. It's just my OCD. So let me just fix that. We run it again. Create file. Add note. Complete prefile activities 1 to 5 for VGD. It already exists. Okay. I have several activities missing this prefinals. What happens if we do read file? Oh, it doesn't even do any. Oh, wait. Oh, it's because it returns it. Okay, wait. That's something we should fix. Return print file.read. Do that. Read file. Okay, there we go. Let's just make it a bit pretty by adding a new line before and after. Let's rerun it. Read file. There we go. If we add a note, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Let's read file. Okay, there we go. And just like that, this activity has been completed. How long did it take us to make? It took us like 14 minutes. That's great. See, I could have done this faster, but I was like just messing around, but okay, there it goes. So this is pre-file activity number 1. So guys, feel free to use this as reference.